To create your own company page is easy. Visit welcometotheworld.com and this is how you create your profile in just 3 steps. Step 1. Go to sign up and choose the button Add Business. Fill out your details, choose a password and click Register. Then navigate to your mailbox to activate your account and log in with your credentials. Step 2. In the top right corner, select the account settings. Here you can manage and personalize your account. You can add a direct booking link, location and contact number. You can fill out the benefit that your business offers to travelers that book directly with you. To do this, describe your benefit, select a fitting icon, and add the promo code that travelers can use to claim their benefits when they place their booking with you. As well as this, you can add both your profile cover image and logo according to the requirements. And of course, you can add all of your social media channels. Once this is complete, select the Update button to change your profile. Step 3. Now it's time to add your videos. To begin, press the top right button and then select Add New Video. Fill in all the details and then add your thumbnail. Now you can choose to upload a video or use an existing YouTube link. If you added direct booking benefits to your channel, you can select the applicable benefits for this video. Then proceed to click Submit, and once your video is approved, your business will become visible to travelers. It's as easy as that. Welcome to the world.